Here's the second part.
I'm not sure we'll have time to do everything you want to do.
There we go. Okay.
Okay. Alright, and we're continuing on. Oh, here's the variable with a, you want to talk about variables real quick?
Go ahead.
The variable with the cloth is this was like that.
True, but then you just make a decision, and if you have
Okay.
one more or less,
Yeah.
you know, statistically it really doesn't matter. You should have 9 there right now.
6.
I don't know if we'll find another one. I don't think so.
I think so.
Okay, so we have 29.
29. 29 sixes. Brings us to 1, 3 minus 9 would be 141.
143.
143. It is 143, yes. Mental math.
Okay.
Here
Go
we
ahead and
go.
count. In the meantime, I'm going to turn on our
Okay.
exponential curve, and let's see what the fit is while we're doing this. Looks pretty good.
Actually, not bad at
It
all.
definitely is exponential decay, which is what we're
bad at all.
simulating with this dice experiment.
Yeah. You can tell by looking that it's exponential decay? Or you just trust that that is...
Well,
normal?
I put in the formula for exponential decay. So,
Oh,
so,
okay.
so the line has to show
Has
that.
to, I got
The
you.
data, well, that depends on the statistics that we have, you know. That, of course, is going to be, you know, we got like a couple of times in a row, we got the same number, which is unusual because it should get less. The decay rate is proportional to the number of
Yes.
dice we have.
Yeah.
So the less dice, the less sixes we should have, you know.
Right.
And the same thing is in radioactive decay.
Interesting.
How many you got there?
3, 4, 6, 8.
Can I give you 2 more?
Okay. So I got 20.
I
5.
got 10.
Oh.
We got 35.
35.
See that? That's kind of interesting. Sometimes we
Yeah.
get more, sometimes we get less. So subtract 35, that should be 108. Am I right?
Okay.
Yeah, see, because of this here, that's actually too many of them decayed all of a sudden. That's why the point is below the line.
Let's see if it self-corrects.
It could. I'm sure that one of the points will still be off no matter what happens.
Interesting. Okay. I have 8. Do you see any more?
I don't see any more.
No,
I got
8.
10.
Okay,
18.
18. So
Very few, yeah.
wow, very few. We go 90 now.
Yeah, it is 90, isn't it?
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
That one there, I think, will be permanently below. Whoa!
It did land on a 6. We'll give it to him.
Because then I have 10.
Yep. Exactly 20 then.
20. Again, it's a little bit more than what it should be.
Looks a little less at that
Yep,
point.
yep, it does. Okay.
Come in, come in. Just be quiet. We're filming. So, is that it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Just
like
9.
9.
Okay.
And actually make sure that you stand back there, because as we can only have us in here in the film. Man, I keep doing that, right?
Oh, another 6.
Really? You want that?
Okay, we're really numbers now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9.
Is that 9? Okay.
All right. And that means 52.
Yeah, if you do that, it's perfectly
It's
fine.
true. Yeah. Seven.
And I got 7 as well, which is 13, which again is too many.
That's a little off. Yeah.
Yeah.
13, you said?
Yeah, so
Okay, so
38.
39, 39.
Yeah, 38.
I
Right?
think 39.
52 minus 14.
Oh,
39.
14. I thought it was 13. That's right. Okay.
Yeah, but it wouldn't really matter.
8.
Yeah, there we go. And I think we're okay.
Pretty
By the way,
close.
this one is the half-life here. The T, which says 3.47, it's supposed to be 3.8 actually, if you do that with,
Okay.
sorting out 1/6. And I think, yeah, still we can see it, even though some of the results may be a little bit off. I think we did have a little bit of a bias in here, and here's why. Maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe we just so lucked out that we had more 6s today than usual, but I think, see, there's no 6s left. So if I put them in the cup like this and I don't really do that, I think we already have a bias. When I put them out, all of a sudden we have more 6s than we should have. For example, if this wasn't on top and you put it in here
But
and it turns upside down, all of a sudden,
Yeah, possibly. But I notice it self-corrects as it goes.
a little bit, yeah.
If we average that out, it may actually hit the line a little closer.
Yeah. And of course, the more often you do it, the better you come out with it. But I think it shows exponential decay pretty well. And we did make like a 15-minute video